In this video, I'll show you the difference between resetting your computer using the cloud or local reinstall. Now, first of all, to reset your computer, you'll need to open up the Start menu. You could then click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select System, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Recovery. Now, where it says Reset this PC, press the Reset button. You'll have two options to either keep your files or to delete everything on your computer. So I'm just going to select Keep My Files, and then it will give you the option to cloud download or local reinstall. Now, these are two different options and they do two different things. So the best option is typically using the cloud download, and as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, this basically downloads the most up-to-date version of Windows, and it's a complete fresh installation of all the Windows files on your computer. Now, just bear in mind that you will need a Wi-Fi connection in order to use this feature. Now, if for some reason the cloud download's not working or you don't have an internet connection, you can also use the local reinstall as well. So what this does is it basically uses the files that are already on your computer just to basically reinstall the Windows operating system. Now, the problem with this is if you have any corrupted files already on your PC, then by using this option, it could essentially just be reinstalling the corrupted files. So start by using a cloud download, and if it doesn't work, then you can always use a local reinstall.